The line whose equation is ax plus by equal to 7 passes through the points with coordinate that is, we coordinate x equal to 2, y equal to -1, and x equal to -1, y equal to -3. Find the value of a and b. So the equation is ax plus by equal to 7. So at this coordinate, you have your x is equal to 2, y is equal to -1 at this coordinate. That is what it implies. So now, substituting this value of x and y into this equation, you have ax plus by equal to 7. So wherever you see x, you replace it with 2. Wherever you see y, you replace it with -1. So a, you replace it with, because you have ax, so you replace x there with 2, plus by, you replace the y there with -1. Now a times 2, you have 2a. Now b times -1, you have -b equal to 7. So I'll call this equation 1. So at this point -1 -3, at this point, which is coordinates -1 -3, it implies that x is equal to -1, while y is equal to -3. So wherever we see x, we will replace it with -1. Wherever we see y, we will replace -3 in that equation. You have ax plus by equal to 7. So wherever we see y, we will replace it with -3. Wherever we see x, we replace it by -1. So we have a -1 plus b -3. Now because you have by, you replace y with -3. So a times -1, you have -a. b plus b times -3, you have -3b. Now this is equation 2. So we have equation 2 and equation 1. Now to solve this, we are going to use substitution method. But before we start with substitution method, let's say we want to use equation 1, because equation 1, the coefficient of b is -1. In equation 2, the coefficient of a is -1. So we can use substitution method, because a substitution method is possible when one of the variable, the coefficient, is 1 or -1. So since one of them is 1 or -1, we can use substitution method. So let's work with equation 1. So we have 2a minus b equal to 7. Now we want to isolate minus b. To isolate minus b, you have minus 2a. Then this other side, you also do same thing. You say minus 2a. So this plus 2a will be eliminated by minus 2a. So you're left with minus b equal to 7 minus 2a. Or I can say it is, okay, let me just write it this way: minus 2a plus 7. Now I needed a situation where it's only b. I don't want minus here. So what I will do to take off this minus is to divide all through by minus 1. I also, what I do to the left hand side, I should do to the right hand side. I also divide all through by minus 1. So this 1 will cancel out this 1. So you're left with b. So minus 2a divided by minus 1 will give you 2a, plus 7 divided by minus 1 will give you minus 7. So we have b equal to 2a minus 7. So we are going to substitute this. Wherever we see b, we substitute with 2a minus 7. So we are going to do that in equation 2. Since we use equation 1 to get our b, we are going to substitute b into equation 2. So equation 2, we have minus a minus 3b equal to 7. This is equation 2. Now wherever we see b, we substitute it with this expression 2a. We substitute with this expression 2a minus 7. So we have minus a minus 3. This is 3b. So we substitute b with this expression 2a minus 7. Now we needed to expand this. So you have minus a. This one will not be minus 3 times 2a. Will have 6a minus 6a. So minus 3 times minus 7 will have plus 21, which is equal to 7. Now minus a minus 6a will give you minus 7a plus 21, which is equal to 7. Now we need to isolate minus 7a. So to isolate it, we take away this. So what we'll do to this other side, what we'll do to the left hand side, we'll also do it to the right hand side, so that the equality sign will still remain. Now we'll cancel out this. We are left with minus 7a, which is equal to this 7 minus 7 minus 221 will give you minus 14. So we needed to isolate a so that a will be alone. To do that, we divide all through by minus 7. So this will cancel out. You are left with a. So this divide this, you have 2. We have plus 2. So our a is equal to 2. Now we needed to substitute. Let me say this is equation 3. So substituting a equal to 2 into equation 3. So wherever we see a, we substitute 2 to it. So we have b equal to 3a minus, okay, it's not 3a, it's 2a. 2a minus 7. That is equation 3. So b will now be equal to 2. Wherever we see a, we replace it with 2. So a is equal to 2. So we replace it with 2 here. So minus 7. So b will be equal to 2 times 2 is 4 minus 7, which implies that b is equal to minus 3. So our answer A is equal to 2 while B is equal to -3.